I'm Laura Allen, author of One Year to a Successful Massage Therapy Practice, and I want to share with you about making mutual referrals with other business people. I have a table in my lobby that I allow other people to display their business cards on. I also have a Rolodex where I have people categorized by the occupations that they do, not by their name. That way I don't have to try and remember hundreds of names off the top of my head. But for instance, under P, I have plumbers, under C, I have caterers, and so forth. So other business people are great resources of referrals. Let's take realtors, for instance. They meet all the new people who are moving into town, people who are moving in and out of the neighborhood, and it's a great thing to cultivate relationships with realtors for mutual referral purposes. Now, people are always coming into my office, and a lot of times they are new people and people who have just moved here or moved into the neighborhood, maybe from some other community. And people are always asking me, do you know a good plumber? Do you know a good carpenter? My husband's a carpenter, so I always have an answer for that one. Do you know a good caterer? And so forth. So I can just pull a card out of my file and I have someone to recommend. I ask my new clients when they come in to give me their business cards. So most of my clients are business people of one sort or another, and I will always ask them for a card. And the fact that I am willing to refer people to them also makes them more willing to take some of my cards and refer people to me. There are just numerous sources of people who would be good referral candidates. So photographers, for instance, people who are involved in any way with weddings. Massage always makes a great wedding gift, as you know, and sometimes I host at my office little wedding parties for bridesmaids and that kind of thing that come in to get massage. So I always have a photographer, a caterer, a florist, construction people, whatever, that I can give cards to people. And not only does the client who's asking me, do I know someone reputable, appreciate that, but also the people that I'm making those referrals to appreciate that, and they reciprocate. So that's just one good idea, works for me.